So this is currently the dog kibble that the puppies are eating. As you can see, it's small kernels. We decided to go with small kernels just because they're young puppies, so we don't want anything too big. And then this is what the back of the food looks like. So it's called Wholesome Food for Active Dogs and Puppies, and I believe it's the rice and chicken formula. So right now we're going to fill up these containers. This is going to be the sample container that goes with each puppy. And then if you are looking to keep your puppy on the exact same food, you can go to the website. Right now I'm going from the mobile device. So you're just going to click on the available puppies tab. And then you're going to scroll all the way down and you should see this right here, which is a link directly to the food. You can either click on the picture or the thing that says order your food. And it's going to take you over here to purchase your bag of puppy food. So here's the containers all locked and loaded and ready to go to their new home with their puppy. And it also comes with these training pads. But yeah, if you're ever interested in getting the food, I will put the link in the description bar below. Or like I said, you can always go on the website and order the food that way.